Welcome to Goodwood Motor Circuit for the first Hilton Moss private track day. We've got a great selection of classic performance cars joining us, from Glister Nobblies to the latest Porsche 911s. The weather's on our sides and the track is dry, so we look forward to spending time out on track alongside our clients.
So hospitality's been wonderful, met some really nice people. The driving standard's been great. First track day I've ever done without a single red flag, so credit to everyone here. Shows the respect for the machinery and the other people doing the track day. So yeah, I'll be here next year, sign me up.
Yeah, brilliant day. I've obviously had my car serviced at Hilton Moss, and sort of Rob said about the track day a little while ago, and just wanted to come down and first time around Goodwood, and what a great experience, and also jumping in that beast with Will, pucker.
Yeah, I mean, amazing. Really nice to do such a professionally run day at such a great circuit. I mean, first time here at Goodwood Race Circuit as a driver. Been here as a punter in the crowd at the revival and things like that, and that's amazing. So you feel like you know the circuit, but the reality is until you actually get in a car and drive, yeah, it's very different. So 100%, yeah. Make sure you call me.
That brings an end to our day here at Goodwood. It's been a fantastic day with perfect weather, although it did get a bit windy in the afternoon. Driving standards have been great all day with no stoppage whatsoever. We were really pleased to be able to give some of our customers some passenger ride experience in the Miura GT4. It's been a really great day and we can't wait to do it all again next year.